Everyone, I was requested on how to do these super simple cord bows, so I thought I'd show you how to make one. And this is what it looks like. And this is the back. You can put a piece of felt on, and I'll show you how to do that in the tutorial I'll do in a second. So you need your nylon headband, little star to cover up your wrap, and some cord. And this is what it looks like. And this one is super simple. This is, let me just measure it for you. Just over 30 centimetres, about 34 centimetres, but you can get away with 30. Anywhere around that mark is absolutely fine. And all we want to do is take your fingers, tuck the first piece just under that finger there. 1, 2, 3. If you can do 4, you can. If not, but you always want it ending this side. And I just do like this. Take it off your fingers, but try and keep it all sort of even. You don't have to be too perfect with them, but it helps a little bit. And then we want to cut down this side because we want about the same each side. There we go. And then you just sort of squish it. So you get your loops. Let's try and show you. So your loops are flat rather than on top of each other. Work out your centre. So it's roughly 5 centimetres. So we want to do about 2.5 centimetres. We're going to do a wrap around. And I just take some extra strand thread. And I just take it, I leave it a little bit hanging. And then you just go like that a few times, and then use the other side you started with to tie off. And if it's not quite centre, just give it a little wiggle. There we go. Get your fingers in the loops and just sort of move it where you want it to sit. There you go, that's much more even. Oh, pulled that side. Let's just rebalance it. There we go. That's better. They're still about the same length. That one's a little bit longer, so I'll just cut that teeny bit. There we go. So you can cut that extra off as well. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, not the most perfect bows, but that's the whole idea. Then you want to take your band, open it up a little bit. So this side is the front, that's your curls, the back. That's what you want against a child's head. So just take that between my finger. You only want a small dot. Just put a beaded glue on. Place it on your headband and hold it for a second. There you go. So that's all nicely attached now. The other thing I do, just to be extra secure, is again, I just take some of my thread, leave a bit of a tail, not too much, cut a bit off, and I'm just going to wrap this around the glue and around the bow that we've just created. Just a few times, just so I feel secure that it's not going to move or do anything it shouldn't do. If you're happy with just glue, you can do just glue. This is just an extra step for me. And then tie off once you're happy that it's sitting where you want it to. This one. and then just once more, and then we cut that extra off. And these don't look cute with a bit of ribbon wrapped around, so what we're going to do instead is on the back we're going to add a tiny little bit of felt to neaten up this bit. So just open up your curl a little bit on each side with your fingers. I've got just a little bit of felt that fits nicely in there, and it's felt. I sometimes sound like I'm saying fall. It's just a little bit of wool felt. So I'm just going to pop that there and there. I want to curl it round so I can't see it. And then I have a cute little star felty, and we're just going to put that over the front to hide our thread. And if you want to, you can just move that tail so it's further behind your loops. And there you go. Super cute little cord